Context clue. Context clues are basically the hints for a specific content. They understand the meaning of the content that is hidden in the plain, yet twisted text. Context clue can be used to explain a passage, paragraph, or individual text statements. With the help of context clue, we can essential information about the phrases or words that are used in the content. This directly or indirectly helps the reader to understand the meaning of the paragraphs. Moreover, the context clues provide insight into a specific portion of the text that is generally difficult to understand. Now, let's have a look at 5 different types of context clue and use them in sentences. First one, sign-on. In this type of context clue, the author is combining the same thing twice, initially in a difficult way and then in a simple way. This can often happen on the same sentences itself. In case you don't understand a particular word, then just keep reading it one more times to understand the flow of the sentences. For example, it was a frigid winter night. Even the lake was frozen. Second, antonym. In this type of context clue, the author provides the hints of the meaning of the word or paragraph. What is about generally the word but will be used in these sentences that will show the opposite thought and how it's presented. For example, the feral cat would not respect him, unlike our friendly cat. 3. Definition. This is the simple form of the context clue, where the literal meaning of the word is given to the reader, but in the form of explanation. Sometimes the author will add very specific word to tell us an explanation is coming. This can be include phrases like which means or that is, in other words. For example, the doctor writing was utterly illegal. No one could read those scribbles. 4. Inference clues. These context clues are a bit subtle. They encourage the readers to look beyond the sentences of the content they are reading. 5. Font clues. In this type of context clue, the clues itself are hidden in the capitalization, italicization, question marks, and even parentheses. With this, you can understand that the clues tell the reader that the word could be a name, a book leader, or even the word is big in definition for us. For example, Teddy retained, kept, the case told the old mention. Now, 7 strategies for using context clue in reading. 1. Word parts. Just break the word in different syllables. 2. Definition. Just look for a definition of explanation within the sentences. Sign-on. Word next to the unknown word can be a clue that there is a sign-on. Example. Provide example of the unknown word can be give readers a clue meaning. Antonym or contrast. Just opposite information about the unknown word can be often by words and phrases such as unlike, just opposite. Analogy. Comparison of the word help to determine what it means. And 7. Appositive. Look for the grammatical structure and appositive, which can be provided of definition, sign-on, or example. Thanks.